This is my favorite water on the entire planet. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Koby Lomax. I am the CEO of Curly Hair. I'm also the founder of Obi Hair, which is a natural hair care line that I started back in November of last year. And I'm also an aspiring artist. I have been writing, singing a lot lately. I have one song recorded. And I decided with my YouTube channel, I really want to document the journey. I'm most known for natural hair, y'all. I literally found a Reddit thread about me and my hair routine, and like all these guys are like, yeah, I tried it, it's pretty good. Like, try it this way, try it that way. I might actually do a video reacting to my the Reddit threads about me, because I'm like, wait, this is kind of crazy. But you might also know me from TikTok. So I had a very, very, very successful candle business in the past, and entrepreneurial bug has just never left me. I don't think it ever will. So with that being said, I figured like I would do some beauty content, you know, mainly around hair. And then I think I also want to do videos like this where I'm just like documenting my experience building an e-commerce business and building a music business and just showing you the whole process. Today I have a pretty jam-packed day today. It is currently 6:33 a.m. so I am right on schedule with my game plan for today. I got a shipment of inventory for bonnets. So with my hair care line, I do sell bonnets. I was wearing one this morning actually. I have them linked down below if you're interested in checking them out. They're adjustable and they have an elastic band so that they're really comfortable, but they stay on your head. They don't come off. I got a shipment of bonnets recently, so I need to count the inventory to make sure that what they sent me matches what I ordered. I also have a few orders to pack for Obi Hair. I had a launch last Friday and I ran out of boxes while I was packing those orders. So I recently got some new boxes and I need to pack the rest of those orders. I think it's just like 2 or 3. Then I'm gonna head to the post office to drop off those orders, and then I have to go to work. Now, unfortunately, I will not be vlogging me being at work. My job's policy recently changed around social media, and now like I'm not allowed to make it obvious where I work, if that makes sense. So I have work from 9:30 to 4, and then I'm gonna come straight home. And then when I get home, I need to shoot some content for Obi Hair, and then that pretty much wraps my day. So we have a pretty full day today, but it should be very productive as long as I can like stay on schedule. So right now, I'm gonna make some coffee real quick, and let's do this inventory.
Streets every day, selling everything from airplanes to avocados. I want to start with a story which I think says a lot. The year is 1974. The game is because they sell Lomax. Aces based on the absolutely on modern times. I want to say that changing what goes away is so important. But as important is as it was. I'm working. That is in the past. And Maxwell.
Orders are done. It is currently 8:01. We are making great time. I'm about to get dressed for work and then we're gonna head out. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're off to work. When I tell y'all I am so tired, but we still got work to do. I'm gonna eat a good, nutritious meal, get myself some energy, and keep it pushing. We got things to do.
To afford to be buying, taking courses, and making my priority me.
These Aldi ready-made salads get me right every time. It's like a quick, easy, healthy meal, and they're like $3 a pop. So I stock them up in my fridge, and they keep me from eating junk food that's gonna make me tired and groggy. And you know, while I'm trying to build an empire, like I need to have energy, and so I need to be fueling my body with food that gives me energy. Additionally, another thing that I tried yesterday that was very, very, very effective, I took some valerian root. I went to Sprouts last night because I ran out of my multivitamin. So I usually take the Mary Ruth's raspberry like morning liquid vitamin. It's like a liquid vitamin, but it also gives you energy. They are known for using clean ingredients, and I really love the founders. Like I watch them and stuff, and like watch their interviews and stuff. They're like very spiritual people, seem like very, very good people, and I just really like them a lot. They have a really good vibe, really good energy to them. But anyways, I went to go pick up some more of my multivitamin, and then I saw that they had a men's multivitamin, and I think this is new because they didn't have this before, I don't believe. And it's this vanilla peach flavor. Y'all saw me take it this morning. Oh, run, don't walk to get this. This bottle is, I think it's $30. You take a tablespoon every day. I think it lasts like 30 days. Yeah, 30 days. Oh my God, this stuff tastes so good. It's pretty thick, so if you don't like the consistency, you can add it to like a smoothie or tea or something, but this tastes so good. There's literally like 3 ingredients outside of the vitamins that are in there, and I highly, highly recommend this. But I went to go pick this up. I went to go pick up some more elderberry because I take their elderberry drops every morning. First thing in the morning. And then I also saw this valerian root, and I was like, ooh, what is that? So I started reading the label, and it talks about like nerve function, sleep support. And I was like, well, I don't really ever need help sleeping, but because I wake up so early, a lot of times, like sometimes when I'm going to sleep, the sun is still out. And so sometimes that does affect me a little bit. Not that much, because honestly, I can fall asleep anywhere. I expect it's a blessing and a curse. I think I get it from my dad. We can fall asleep anywhere. I feel like the difference with me and my dad is that my dad's a light sleeper, so he can fall asleep anywhere and wake up anytime. Me, I will go into a deep slumber and not wake up. But I was like, you know what? Let me just give it a try. Well, what I found out was I tried it, and I noticed I was like so focused. Like so focused. Usually my mind's like bing, 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 bing all day long, and it was like, I'm watching. Literally last night I felt so productive. I was like, all right, I'm going to wash the dishes. Now I'm going to take a shower. Now I'm going to walk the dogs. Now I'm going to feed the dogs. Now I'm going to plan my day for tomorrow. Now I'm going to get in bed. And then boom, it was lights out. I was knocked out. I was like, what the heck? So then I actually looked up, like, what are the benefits of this? Because I literally just randomly picked it up in the store. Come to find out, let me read the benefits of valerian root. And I'll have these linked down below if you guys want to try it. This isn't by any way, shape, or form affiliated with Mary Ruth Organics or any valerian root vendor, but I'm extremely impressed. So it said, while valerian root is best known for its calming and sedative effects, usually used to help with sleep, some people experience enhanced focus and mental clarity from it, especially when their nervous system is usually overstimulated. Me. I definitely noticed my mind was so calm and I was so productive, like so productive. When I was trying to figure out my hair, what were the things that I was looking up, or the problems the things that I needed answers to, like what does this mean, or how do I do this, how do I do that? Because these are the ideas that I can, make educational content out. I want to post educational content every Monday. The difference between clarifying shampoo, hydrating shampoo. Because even when I was talking to the people at work, they're like, I don't know what to do with my hair. Like when I talk to people who are frustrated with their hair, when they're looking up to my hair and they're asking me questions, there's never a clear question. So it's like they don't even know what they need. What they know is that they're frustrated with their hair. They don't know what to do. So I want to help them with that through these videos. The person that's just frustrated, like what do they need to hear? What do they need to know? I feel really good about this. So now we just got to film it. I think the next thing I need to do is make like a production list for whenever I'm going to shoot everything. Sunday I'm shooting a bunch of content. So I think what I might end up doing tomorrow when I go to the coffee shop is to put together a production schedule of like, okay, what do I need to shoot? And like shot list for each video, and then line it up in the schedule so that way I'm filming everything in order and making sure I'm getting everything. And then Sunday's gonna be a big production day. Like I'm going to be basically on set. Like that's how I'm looking at it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get all this content filmed, and I'm excited. I'm really excited that I got it out on paper. This is what's on my face. That is a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're looking forward to more videos, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you're wanting a little extra content from me, follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Koby Lomax. Last but not least, don't forget to shop over here if you see fit. This bonnet is actually from my hair care line over here. I'm super excited to keep documenting this journey of building my empire, building my hair care line, and all the other businesses that live up here in my brain, and launching a music career eventually. I'm so excited to have you along the journey, and I will see you in my next video.